Thank you for flying NCIS Airlines. We know you have a choice when it comes to government agencies, and we hope you can discover the joys of a U.S. passport or green card. Don't worry. Everything's going to be okay. Tony DiNozzo, friend of the ladies.
Tony, we've got a problem. We've got intel that there might be an attack on the shelter and orders to bug out.
Let me guess. Actually, I don't even need to.
Agent McGee, we have our orders. We need to leave now.
Then go. I'm staying.
Where's it gone?
These guys from NCIS. What do you need?
Well, supposedly there's reinforcements on the way, but...
Let's see what we have in the area.
All right, when you're done, go by MTAC, check satellite coverage on our location. Maybe you can see something that we can't.
Okay, on it. Be careful, Tim.
Yeah.
What's some blankets? We can stuff them under the doors if we need to get the smoke out.
We're secure. Anything else you can help with, boss?
ID all lines of sight. Cover all the trenches.
You know, I don't see why we all just don't take a walk around the block till the cavalry arrives.
It's too risky. This could all be just a gambit to get us to leave the shelter. We're safer inside.
McGee, ammo.
Got a full mag in my SIG, 2 extra in my pack.
You have access to any weapons?
I'm not so fond of guns, but I've been keeping one around.
Look to yourself.
Come here now. McGee.
Where's it gone, baby? Where's it gone, baby?
Tony, it's a bad time right now.
Just got off the horn with the UN commander, sending a team your way.
They better be quick. We just got fired on.
Satellite's coming online.
Okay, here we go. We got 5 bogeys
Baby.
inbound, on foot, moving slow.
I don't see them.